If equipped, Speed Control, or Cruise Control, lets you maintain a selected speed in continuous flowing highway traffic. To activate Cruise Control, push the On/Off button on your steering wheel. An indicator light will appear in your instrument panel to let you know the system is active. Once the system is on, accelerate to the speed you want to maintain. Then, push and release the Set Plus or Set Minus button to set the speed. Take your foot off the accelerator and the vehicle will cruise at the speed you've selected. To disengage the speed control, press the brake pedal or push the cancel button. These actions will not erase your set speed memory. To resume your set speed, push and release the Res or Resume button. The Resume feature can be used at any speed above 25 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour. You can adjust your set speed with the Set Plus and Set Minus buttons. Push and hold these buttons to increase or decrease the set speed. Just release the buttons when your desired speed is reached. Tap the buttons to change speed in 1 mile per hour or 1 kilometer per hour increments, depending on the mode your speedometer is in. Tap 3 times and your speed will increase or decrease by 3 miles per hour or 3 kilometers per hour. To deactivate the system, push the On/Off button the second time. It's best to leave the system turned off when not in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.